Many companies, including us here at Worksighted, struggle to figure out which online meeting tool is right for their organization. Some offer quick fixes in a seamless setup, while others have big setup costs and robust offerings. Regardless of the solution, you will probably have yet another subscription cost eating away at your precious budget, and you'll still have issues. Enter Meetings from Microsoft Teams. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Riffs. My name is Killian, and today we're going to cover the top 3 reasons why we think you should switch to hosting online meetings through Microsoft Teams as soon as possible. We have found meetings to be surprisingly simple, and it's a great way to interact with team members through voice, video, and screen sharing. And there's so much more on top of that. So let's hit up that top 3. Point number 1, it's so easy. Have you ever been in the middle of a chat or an email chain with someone and thought it would just be so much easier to talk about this face to face? In Microsoft Teams, that's just a click of a button. Easily pop open a virtual meeting and start collaborating right away. No more navigating to another program, remembering another password, or ensuring both participants have the right software downloaded, or the dreaded timeout of a call because you don't have a full subscription. Start video chatting, add a coworker or two, share your screen, all within Teams. You can start meeting from scratch, schedule a meeting with an invite, or post a meeting to a channel. Users from outside of your network can access the majority of these features within the call as well. No excuses for bad meetings. That's on you now. Point number 2, no more, can you mute your microphone, Jane? Teams' intuitive service will alert you if any part of your system isn't working quite right. Forgot to unmute your speakers? It'll let you know. If your system microphone is muted, you won't have to waste time mouthing your frustrations through the video stream. If there's a background noise that is distracting, but you want to avoid that awkward, hey Jane, you've got a lot of background noise, can you just mute yourself? All you have to do is click on the video of that person and mute them. Another of our favorite features is the ability to blur the background, so your laundry basket can be conveniently hidden from view. Point 3, record and share. Click on this button right here during any meeting to record audio and video. Microsoft Teams will even automatically transcribe the audio to text through Microsoft Stream. We have found that Microsoft Teams is an awesomely simple tool to use for virtual meetings, especially because it's typically already included in your Office 365 account, saving your company from yet another monthly cost. And that's it for today's Tech Riff. We love hearing from you, so be sure to use that comment section to let us know what you want us to riff on next. Till next time, I'm Killian Smith. Take it easy.